Good morning out here from Houston. It is the Houston sign lady, Angela, proud owner of Image 360. And we, of course, do signs and graphics, but I'm not going to talk to you about signs and graphics today. I'm actually going to talk to you about networking, because networking is important no matter what you do. So, tip number one, who knows this person? Want a card? One card? Here, have a card, have a card, have a card. You've been that person. Come on, admit it. The person who went to the network function, hands out all their cards, doesn't really care who they talk to, just buy my stuff. Don't do that. People hate that, and they're going to hate you, and they're not going to buy from you. Tip number two is to get yourself some sort of electronic card. Keeper tracker of, that's what I call it, the keeper tracker of. It's 2018, last I checked. Yep, it is 2018. So what does that mean? It means no more shoe boxes, folks. Come on, I know you got that shoebox of business cards you've done nothing with. Don't do that. Get yourself an app. I happen to like Camcard. There are other apps on the market. Within 24 hours, make sure you do something with those business cards you've collected. You want to scan them in, you want to use your app, do something with them. Last for today is going to be follow-up. And that means not a quick text saying, hey, want to buy my wares? No. That is a genuine, sincere email, again, within 24 hours, that keeps you on track. Make sure to send an email that just says, hey, it was great meeting you at the ABC network function last night. Would love to sit and chat over coffee. Have a great life. That's it. That's all you want to do. You know your signature line talks about what you do. They know what you do because they met you. You don't need to mention it again. If they want to buy your stuff, they're going to get a hold of you. Okay, so that's it for today. But of course, please subscribe to my channel. And please tell your friends about these really, really weird, lame videos from this lame person who is just trying to go ahead and get a little bit more attention on things to help business people. That's what I'm trying to do. So hit the subscribe, hit the little bell thingy-bobber, and move on with life. And just remember, be nice to one another. Thank you.